Hi there, social studies students. Mr. Kerr here, and I want to go over just a couple of things around grades. I've been getting a lot of questions about why do I have the 0 or how do the grades work and everything. So what I'm going to show you is this, and this is good for all my classes, even if this isn't your particular class. Go to your grade book, which just says grades here. Click on that. It's on the left side of both your materials and your updates page. And look here on the grades. And some of you might know this. We'll call him a student, Mr. Sussman. But he's helping me with this. So first of all, when you click here, at the top is your overall grade. So Mr. Sussman is just barely getting by with a 70% if you round up. But I want to show you here, every assignment is listed out. So you all had the survey and syllabus quiz, we called it, due date and all of that good stuff. Now here is what you earned and how many points it was worth. And you can tell it was a quiz and that it's been turned in because of this little puzzle piece. Orientation discussion, due date. This is how many points Mr. Sussman earned, 51 points out of 100. And you know it was a discussion because of this little thought bubble or conversation bubble here. And then this is my feedback. So this is where you need to be looking. If you get 51 out of 100, you should look at the feedback I give. Why did you only get 51 out of 100? And you would read that right there. Email assignment and parent guardian tour. These were both assignments you had to turn into the Dropbox. 50 out of 50. And you know it was an assignment because of this little piece of paper here. And 49 out of 50 with, again, very important feedback. What if you don't turn in an assignment? If you don't turn in something, you will get a 0 on it when past its due date. And it doesn't matter what the reason is. You could have been sick, you could have forgotten it, whatever the reason. I'm just going to put a 0 in here so we know that it's not completed. So 0 out of 50. And you know you never turned anything in because there's no little symbol here and no feedback, okay? So this is a 0, it's just missing. If I were to excuse you out of something, also sometimes you'll see a 1 out of 50, a 1 out of 100. That means you turned something in, but I can't open and read it, or it's the wrong assignment or something like that. So I'll just mark it as a 1 out of 100 and then say, I can't open it, I can't read it, you turned in the wrong assignment. Just go back, turn in the right assignment, let me know, all that good stuff. All right, so that's a quickie on how to use the gradebook. If any questions, as always, reach out and let me know. All right, have a good one. Let's see if I can turn this off.